Hey MotoGP fans! Welcome back to Raceline GP, your go-to source for the latest MotoGP news and updates. We've got some exciting news from the 2024 Solidarity Barcelona MotoGP, so let's jump right in. First off, let's chat about Friday's practice sessions. Pecco Bagnaia came out all guns blazing, topping the second practice. He was absolutely on fire out there, leading the pack and making a serious statement ahead of this weekend's races. But here's the thing, even with Bagnaia's impressive performance, Martin still has a huge chance to clinch the championship. If he manages to finish above 6th place in both the sprint and Sunday's main race, he can outscore Bagnaia and secure the title. Now, Martin, the championship leader, finished 5th in practice. It wasn't his best session, a bit scrappy with a few front-end wobbles, but he kept it together. The great news for Martin is that he doesn't need to push too hard. Consistency is his best friend right now. If he stays smooth and finishes above 6th, he's on track to take the championship. So despite the shaky moments, Martin is in a solid position. No need for heroics, just play it smart and avoid unnecessary risks. If he does that, we could very well be looking at our new champion. Bagnaia might have sent a strong message today, but let's be real, the pressure is on him to win both races. Martin just needs to stick to his game plan. It's going to be super interesting to see how this battle unfolds over the weekend. Speaking of Bagnaia, there was a weird moment after the first practice. He had a bizarre crash while braking into turn 1 as Maverick Viñales zipped past him. Bagnaia said he got a bit spooked when Viñales showed up on his outside at high speed, causing him to brake a tad too hard and lose control. Kind of a freak incident, but he didn't let it faze him. He came back strong in the second practice. Meanwhile, Alex Espargaro, who's having his farewell weekend in MotoGP, was third fastest. He's got a fresh Aprilia engine, the fastest he's ever had, according to him. Alex is pretty pumped about Saturday's sprint race, especially with the soft tires. But he's keeping an eye on Sunday, thinking the Ducatis might have the edge in the full-length race. He also mentioned how tricky the conditions are out there. Cooler temperatures are making the track slippery, which is throwing everyone a curveball. Still, Alex is optimistic. He doesn't see anyone being super fast or super strong, so tomorrow could be a blast. Let's not forget about the wild cards. Marco Bezzecchi was flying, finishing just 0.080 seconds behind Bagnaia. He's been showing some serious pace and could really shake things up. Maverick Viñales was solid too, ending up 6th in the practice session. With all this action, who knows what's going to happen? Will Bagnaia keep his momentum and put the heat on Martin? Can Martin stay cool under pressure? And how will the rest of the field, like Espargaro in his final races and the ever-improving Bezzecchi, affect the outcome? Thanks for hanging out with us here at Raceline GP. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We want to hear from you. Who do you think is going to take the championship? Drop your predictions in the comments below.